If you're wandering through the world of premium knives, wondering which path to take, let's talk about ZWILLING's 7-piece and 8-piece knife blocks. It's like choosing between two great playlists for your cooking show. Both are awesome, but which one's your jam? The 7-piece set, your essential mixtape. Paring knife. Think of this as your detail artist, ready to ace those intricate touches. Utility knife, your versatile DJ, spinning tracks from veggies to fruits without skipping a beat. Carving knife. This one slices through meats and fishes so smoothly, it's like gliding through your favorite song. Chef's knife, the headliner. Without it, the show just can't go on. Every chef's go-to track. Bread knife. Got a crusty loaf or a tender bun? This serrated genius plays through every slice perfectly. Stainless steel multi-purpose shears. More than just a one-hit wonder, these shears tackle everything from pizza to bottles. Here's where we add a bonus track to your set with the 8-piece knife block. The sharpening steel orchestrates the sharpness of your blades, making each slicing performance worthy of a standing ovation. Each knife in our sets is a hit single, showcasing ZWILLING's dedication to top chart quality. Whether you lean towards the classic hits in the 7-piece, or crave the extra versatility of the 8-piece, there's a set that'll vibe with your kitchen sessions. So, which set strikes a chord with you? Let's find your perfect match and get cooking.